This feature might actually save Instagram from its slow decline into becoming Facebook 2.0, or actually MySpace 2.0. Actually, scrap that. MySpace was and still is the best social media platform ever. All right, hashtag MySpace is Kyle. If you don't know what that means, just believe me on that one for now. Now, after giving you $500 for going live with badges, which you can still do, by the way, some of it is actually a recurring thing. Instagram is now giving you up to $500 to create reels. Yes, you heard that correct, my friends. What's the catch, you might ask? You actually have to create the reels and try to actually be good at it, because it seems like the amount that you get paid is tied to the amount of views that you get on the reels. So let's take a look at what's about to come. A few days ago, our best friend Maziri tweeted that Facebook and Instagram are going to invest $1 billion in programs that give creators new ways to actually earn money on. Now, at first you might think $1 billion, that's a lot of money, and you're kind of right. But if you take a look at the amount of Instagram users, active users out there, which is a little more than 1 billion, and if you take into consideration that actually Facebook and Instagram split this whole payment in half, you'll see that actually Instagram allocated about 42 cents per active user for the next year, or actually 3.5 cents per user per month. Doesn't seem like a lot for now, right? And this is kind of how you can deceive people with useless stats, because still almost everybody of you can get up to $500. 1, 2, 3, 4, $500. $500, actually just maybe a little more than that even, because there's some more because there's some recurring thing from the other badges, milestones there. This is what you can earn over the upcoming summer, my friend. So here's how it works. You might know about the Instagram bonus program. No, I'm not gonna do that. Which continues to bring out more and more bonuses. For example, the IGTV ads bonus program that seems like for now is just an invite-based thing. I have not heard how much people actually get. Then there's still the badges and life bonus, which is now available to people in 11 countries, as you can see right here. You can still get $250 per month for going live once a week for at least 15 minutes. That's a good thing. But, and this is the actual banger right here, the Reels Summer Bonus. Launching in the coming weeks to creators in the US. This is a little bit of an issue right now, just US-based people, but I'm sure it will, be launched at least to those 11 countries along the way. And they will pay creators for creating great Reels content on Instagram, and you guys will earn based on how many views your Reels actually get. So let me explain here. You can see there's roughly like 4 milestones, as you can see here, and each for $125 more. And apparently you get the maximum payout of $500 if you manage to get 200,000 views over the time span of the summer. Deadline July 31st. I don't actually think this deadline is true, because it didn't even start right now. And if it were, it would be a total move from Instagram, so I'm sure it's not. But if we take a look at these 200,000 views, it means that you get about $2.5 per 1,000 views. So kind of like the industry standard right there. And as you can see, these increments then, according to that, mean the payouts actually start with 50,000 views. So you need at least 50,000 views in order to actually get that first $125 payout. But that's not all, my friends, because they say access new earning opportunity as they become available. And if we take a look back to Alessandro Paluzzi, our old friend, he uncovered recently that apparently they're working on a screen where you can select which bonus your Reels views or whatever should count towards. So apparently they're already working on multiple bonuses for example, for the Reels thing. So there might be 3 or 4 bonuses to create Reels for. So we're gonna see. Now, how can you actually hit those 200,000 views if you don't have a lot of views at all? And this is the great thing about this whole Reels thing. It is possible for you and you and you and not you. The only way to hit that and to get the maximum takeaway from this whole thing is creating as many Reels as possible. Learn from the data that you get and the feedback that you actually get from creating your Reels. Try to replicate, for example, and emulate content of well-performing, trending Reels and stuff like this. But more importantly, and this is the most important thing, is be ultra consistent with Reels. Fire out as many as you can. Because if at the end of the summer you have made, let's say, 100 Reels, chances are actually pretty high that you have hit it once or twice or 10 times actually, meaning the one or the other viral blow up happening there. But, and this is the most important thing here, you probably have the insights and skill set to actually replicate this thing. Replicate 200. I'm sure you'll have 200,000 views easily if you consistently create Reels and learn from your mistakes and learn from the data that you get. So in a way, that thing is not only good to get money, the actual value is creating a skill set, honing a skill set to create highly performing reels to make you understand how this whole system works in order to blow up way more in the future. We're gonna talk about reels in the upcoming videos to help you be prepared as best as possible when this whole thing drops. I think it will drop pretty soon in the next coming days. And yeah, maybe we even have some special thing prepared. Until then, my friends, my name is Dominik. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bye.